For the very first time, the IT industry, which is $3 trillion, $3 trillion IT industry, is about to create something that can directly serve $100 trillion of industry.
Picture this, a groundbreaking leap in technology that's leaving scientists worldwide amazed. China has achieved something so remarkable, it's redefining standards in the global tech industry. Today, we're exploring Alibaba's latest innovation, a feat that goes beyond just another tech product. It's a monumental stride in computational power and efficiency, turning heads among experts and industry leaders alike. But before we get into the details, hit that like button and subscribe to Tech Revolution. We're all about bringing you the latest and greatest updates, so you don't want to miss out. All right, let's get right into it. So, what's making waves in the scientific community? Recently, Alibaba, the Chinese tech giant, unveiled a groundbreaking supercomputer chip called the Hanguang 800. This chip marks a major leap in both computing power and efficiency, stunning many experts. The Hanguang 800 uses state-of-the-art 3D stacking technology, allowing for an unprecedented density of transistors. This innovation lets the chip cram more transistors into a smaller space, boosting performance while cutting down on power usage. To give you an idea, the chip achieves a stunning 256 teraflops in single-precision floating-point performance. That's 256 trillion calculations per second. What sets the Hanguang 800 apart is its knack for handling complex tasks with remarkable efficiency. Reports suggest it can complete image recognition jobs 10 times faster than previous chip generations. This kind of speed is crucial for applications in artificial intelligence, machine learning, and big data analysis. Alibaba has already demonstrated its prowess through cloud computing services, showcasing how it can turbocharge data processing efficiency. To grasp why this chip is so significant, let's dive into the global competition for semiconductor supremacy. It's a high-stakes race where major players like Intel, AMD, and NVIDIA from the US vie for leadership in cutting-edge technologies. Intel, founded in 1968 by Gordon Moore and Robert Noyce, has long been a pioneer in semiconductors. Their latest Intel Core i9-13900K chip is renowned for high performance in gaming and professional use. AMD competes fiercely with its Ryzen 9 7950X processor, targeting the high-performance computing market. Meanwhile, NVIDIA, led by CEO Jensen Huang, pushes boundaries with its GeForce RTX 4090 graphics card, setting new standards in gaming and professional graphics. On the other side of the globe, China is ramping up investments in its semiconductor industry to achieve self-sufficiency in high-tech sectors. This effort has gained momentum due to recent U.S. sanctions aimed at limiting China's access to advanced chip technologies. The CHIPS Act, signed into law in August 2022, is part of a $52 billion initiative to boost U.S. semiconductor production and reduce reliance on foreign chips. In response, China has launched initiatives like the China National Semiconductor Industry Investment Fund, also known as the Big Fund, which aims to invest over $150 billion in the semiconductor sector. This fund supports companies like SMIC, Semiconductor Manufacturing International Corporation, China's largest semiconductor foundry, in advancing production technologies despite international restrictions. But let's not just focus on the latest tech innovations. China's also making significant progress in producing older yet essential legacy chips used across various industries. SMIC, founded in 2000, is China's largest semiconductor manufacturer. They make chips like the 28-nanometer and 65-nanometer process nodes, which are crucial for consumer electronics and industrial applications. SMIC's 28-nanometer technology, for instance, powers smartphones, home appliances, and automotive electronics, shaping how we use everyday devices. Giga Device, established in 2005, specializes in legacy memory chips such as NOR flash and DRAM. NOR flash memory chips are essential in devices ranging from mobile phones to automotive control systems. By excelling in the legacy chip market, China has secured a vital part of the global electronics supply chain. According to a report from IC Insights, Chinese semiconductor companies hold approximately 30% of the global market share for legacy chips. This dominance in legacy chips allows China to wield considerable influence over global supply chains and market dynamics. For example, during the global chip shortage of 2021, China's ability to produce and export these legacy chips helped alleviate some of the supply chain disruptions experienced by other countries. The Hanguang 800 chip isn't just an amazing piece of technology, it has huge implications for China's role in the global tech industry. This chip's advanced abilities make China a leader in high-performance computing, crucial for national security, scientific research, and economic growth. One standout use of the Hanguang 800 is in Alibaba Cloud's AI and big data services. With this chip, Alibaba Cloud can offer better tools for machine learning, natural language processing, and data analysis. This not only boosts Alibaba's market position, but also supports China's goal to lead in AI research and development. The success of the Hanguang 800 shows China's strategy to reduce reliance on foreign technologies. By developing its own cutting-edge semiconductor solutions, China aims to lessen the impact of international restrictions and position itself as a top innovator globally. This accomplishment highlights a larger trend of growing tech competition between China and the US. As China advances in semiconductor tech, the US and its allies must rethink their strategies and strengthen their own tech capabilities. China's breakthrough with the Hanguang 800 chip is set to shake up the global tech scene in profound ways. One immediate impact will be the heightened competition among semiconductor makers. For instance, the arrival of the Hanguang 800 will spur companies like Intel and AMD to ramp up their R&D efforts. Intel is already gearing up for its next-gen Meteor Lake processors, packed with cutting-edge tech to stay ahead. Similarly, AMD is pushing boundaries with its Zen 5 architecture, aiming to deliver top-notch performance and new features for both everyday users and businesses. Moreover, the success of the Hanguang 800 will reshape global supply chains. With China strengthening its foothold in advanced and older chip markets, other nations and companies will need to adapt. This might mean finding new suppliers, adjusting production strategies, and forming partnerships to ensure a steady stream of semiconductor parts. The global semiconductor industry will also face greater pressure to innovate. As firms strive to match or surpass the capabilities of the Hanguang 800, expect a surge of new breakthroughs. This competitive atmosphere will drive fresh research into areas like smaller chips, energy efficiency, and computational might. Looking ahead, the global chip race is heating up, and China's breakthrough with the Hanguang 800 is just the beginning of a fast-evolving tech landscape. In the years ahead, expect more advancements in semiconductor tech from leaders and newcomers alike. We're talking next-gen chips for AI, quantum computing, and beyond. This competitive scene will push countries and companies to invest in new tech and explore partnerships to drive innovation forward. As China keeps pushing the boundaries in semiconductors, the global tech community must stay nimble and forward-looking. This ongoing competition isn't just about chips, it's shaping the future of tech and influencing strategies worldwide. Do you believe China's new Hanguang 800 chip will change the way tech companies approach AI and big data? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And that's it for today. Stay tuned for more, and catch you at the next one.